June 5 of every year is set aside by the United Nations to celebrate World Environment Day. The theme for this year's celebration is ecosystem restoration. As part of activities to mark the day, the Environmental Safety Awareness and Rights to Healthy Living Initiative, an NGO aimed at improving environmental health practices through grassroots participation, in collaboration with the Addo Community Development Association Ajah Lagos, led teams of volunteers to clean up the streets and sensitize residents on the importance of sorting and recycling waste to earn a living and to ensure a clean environment. The NGO mobilized students from secondary schools around Addo axis of Ajah to participate in the exercise. As they took time to clean the streets, they also sensitized the community on proper waste management.
We are trying to let the community know that they have part to play in restoring the ecosystem. Now the cleaning up that is going on is because we have a lot of waste that are littered around. We have PET bottles that are littered around, that cannot decompose. So in the course of our cleaning up, we select out the PET bottles for recyclers, and we select out the dirt for the lawman to cater. The populate need a lot of awareness, because looking at what we are seeing now, they don't really think about their environment. So if the government will encourage the NGOs, because the NGOs come down to the grassroots to bring this message down, the government should participate with, collaborate with the NGOs to carry out awareness, support the NGOs. Now they should also try as much as possible to enforce laws. The laws that we have, they are not enforcing it, and the citizens are just behaving anyhow, doing anyhow they want. So the government has a lot to play. Let them support the NGOs.
Actually, it's an exercise we've embarked on as CDA. So we know the importance of a tidy environment. So our message to our people is that they should tidy their compound. Sanity begins at home, from home down to the street and the entire community. So I will make sure we'll use all what it takes to make sure we have a tidy environment. And we are very, very happy for the NGO to think of our community, to bring this good program to our community. We really appreciate them, and we are in full support of what they are doing. And we pray that we can be able to do more collaboration in future.
Go to our drainages, plastics, nylon, doing what they are, ignorance. So until the day we come back to our senses, disease will be annihilated, problems will go, even the government will do what is right. But because we are all not involved, thank God the children are coming on board now, because we have failed already. Let the children now come and teach us what to do. That's why they have, bring out the children together, let them go and teach their parents, teach the street owner, teach them what to do. If you cannot know what to do, you can see them today parking from the road, using their glove to park. Everybody should be able to do what they are doing. That's a lesson to all of us. We have destroyed it. They are trying to reimagine it and restore it back. That's what we are doing today. And I will indulge the government. We should start sorting from home. Government should come back to preventive services. Preventive services. Curative services, the others say prevention is better and cheaper than cure. We should come back. And that's the only way out. Employ those who are in prevention and preventive services. The health officers are coming out from school every year. Nobody engaging them. And this is the way to do it. If you prevent, there will be nothing to cure.
The youths are like the leaders of tomorrow, the nation. So it's very important, and they have a voice, and it's very important for them to clean the environment, because we get what we use every day from the environment. I want to say that we should try to clean the environment, because it's very important. We should not just lazy around, and we should try to do something that will benefit other people and also ourselves.
Today is about Environmental Day. and we clear the place. We talk to people that they should learn how to clean their gutters, their environment, and they should keep it clean to prevent disease. And to help the government also, not only the government that will work, us too, we should encourage people to also work.
About 10 schools within the community took part in the exercise, with recyclers, a recycling organization, and waste managers to pick up the waste generated from PET bottles and cans for recycling. The organization also shared waste bags to residents to further encourage them to bag their waste for easy pickup.